Hi, my name is Peter Barnhorst. I'm a winemaker for Fleur de Cap. And I'm here today to tell you a bit more about our multi-award winning Fleur de Cap Noble Late Harvest 2011. First of all, this wine has already won a gold medal at the IWSC. It's won a trophy for the best South African dessert wine in the Cacta, and it got a 5-star rating in the Platter. The grapes for this wine comes from 5 different areas, being Elgin, Stellenbosch, Palm, Durbanville and Darling. If we look at the grape varieties that's in here, there's a bit of Chenin Blanc, Sauvignon Blanc and Chardonnay. The colour is just a beautiful liquid gold straw colour. On the nose I get that raisins, beautiful honey, marmalade, and then on the palate dried peaches, dried apricots, and just a beautiful balance between the acidity and the sugar on this wine. When it comes to food pairing, I honestly believe you can serve this right at the end of a dinner, impress your friends, serve it nicely chilled with some strong platter of strong cheeses, roasted nuts and some good dark chocolate, and your friends will love you for it.